Hey kids, today we're working on Johnny B. Goode, a little bit of metronome work. Yes, I have an acoustic guitar. Too bad. Okay, so we're just gonna be working on the first 4 bars of the intro to Johnny B. Goode, which goes a little something like. Something like that. And figuring out the rhythm, because it's rhythm and blues in the rock and the roll. And if you don't have the rhythm, what do they say? It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. So you have to get your counting together. So this is 85 beats per minute, this little metronome going, which is about a little more than half the speed of the tempo. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so the first thing you got to deal with is being able to count in on the pickup. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. You got to be able to do that. 1, 1. I got out of count with the metronome. What happened? I don't know. 1, 2. I started talking. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Get that together. 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, so that's the pickup. You're starting on the end of 3 and landing on the downbeat of the next bar. Then you got to get the whole first bar. So you got to have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. The accents are on 1, the end of 2, beat 4, and on 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I recommend saying it, particularly if you're having a hard time getting in tune with the metronome. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So I'm stopping on the downbeat of the next bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then maybe give the metronome a couple of bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I didn't slide. Shame, shame, shame on me. Feel the shame. Let it go. Let it go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I'm teaching a lesson right now on FaceTime, and my buddy on FaceTime is cracking up too, so it's good. It's good to retain a sense of humor while you're practicing. Nobody's going to get hurt doing this. The only way you're going to get hurt is if you get frustrated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 2. Can't talk. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, I know how to do this, and I've done it several times right for y'all, so if you need it again, go back and watch it again. Okay, so now you need the second full bar, right? Oh, actually, let me show you how to put the pickup and the first full bar together. So you put that together like 1. It's also great to tap your foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Great. You may need to go back several times practicing just the pickup and just the first measure, just the pickup, just the first measure, and then put them together. It may need to do that. That's okay. And then the second full measure is... I have like about 1 million lessons on Johnny B. Goode on my channel, so I'm not going to explain how to play it right now. I'm only going to play it and talk about how to play it with the metronome right now. Too bad. Go watch the other videos. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Oh, heck, I'll even put in the downbeat of the next bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so you get that. Now you can go put that together with the pickup in the first full bar. And then the third full bar, fourth full bar, ninth, what bar am I on now? 1, second, third full bar. Hey, it's just like the first full bar, except it's down an octave. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, except you don't hit the same note on the downbeat of the next bar. And I think that Chuck doesn't actually slide them. I think he just accents them. But I don't care what you do as long as you do it with style. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Oh, not 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Because on 1 of the next bar he goes. So I'll do that too. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Okay, I'm doing the next full bar. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so you practice that a bunch. I do recommend saying it. Sometimes it's better to just say it and then play it and say it. Sometimes you got to turn the metronome off to get your talking and playing together and then turn it back on. That's okay too. And then you put all those things together in the way that I showed you with the pickup in the first bar. Then maybe you put the first bar and the second bar together. Then maybe you put the second bar and the third bar together. Then you put the pickup in the first, the second, and third bar together. Then you put that together with the fourth bar. Then you take a break. Then maybe you go to a bar. Okay, bye.